Okay, this will be for linear equation word problems. I think most of these are pretty easy. So, it says Rachel is a stunt driver. She's escaping from a building that's about to explode. D represents the remaining distance in meters after t seconds. Okay? So the remaining distance, all right, they want to know how much distance is left, and they're asking us how long is the distance Rachel has to drive. Well, if D is the remaining distance and T is seconds, we must have started at 0 seconds. So just plug in a 0 in place of T. Negative 38 times 0 is just 0, so that cancels, and that'll just leave us with 220. Okay, must be a glitch. They gave me the same problem twice. Oh, no, I'm sorry. My mistake. Let's see. Same type of problem. D is a distance. D is a distance in meters. T is a time in seconds. Okay, and they want to know Rachel's speed. Okay. Well, let's see. Every second. See, this is the part with T right here. T is seconds, right? So every second, the distance D decreases by negative 38, right? So the distance, it's like the slope. It's decreasing by 38 meters every second. Okay, so that's actually your answer, 38 meters per second. Okay, since D represents the distance is decreasing by 38 every time T goes up by 1. All of these equations are going to be linear equations. So it's going to be in the form of y equals mx plus b. They just use different letters. Like instead of y, it's a D. Instead of x, it's a T. Okay, a young sumo wrestler decides to go on a special diet to gain weight. W is the weight in kilograms, and T is how many months. How much weight does the wrestler gain every 2 months? Okay, well, if T represents every 1 month, and just looking at this equation, since there's a plus, it goes up by 5.4 every 1 month. It goes up by 5.4 every month. So they want to know what it is for every 2 months. So it's just going to be 2 times 5.4. And that's 10.8. So enter that in the box. All right, here we go. Charity organization is having a fundraiser. P represents the profit in dollars. N is the number of tickets. A negative profit means the expenses exceeded the income. What are the expenses of the fundraiser? Okay, well, that's easy, guys. Every time you sell N tickets, it goes right here. So the profit increases by 70 each time. That's not part of the expenses. Obviously, the expenses decrease the profit. So this part here is the expenses right here. Okay? But you don't enter the negative. The expenses are just $1,500.